Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and as you can tell I have my hair dyeing shirt on, and I am not wearing any makeup at all. I'm kind of looking a little gross today, but whatever. We are here to dye my hair. We are going to take it from this pinky peach color that we have, and we're going to go purple. So make sure you comb out all those rough knots out of your hair. You do not want any knots disrupting anything, because you do not want patchy hair at all. Then once it's all combed out and fluffy, because you know this is why curly hair girls don't brush your hair, put on some gloves, and you're going to go in with some conditioner. Any white conditioner can work. This was like $1, and it smells like coconuts. It's really great. And then you're going to go in with your hair dye. Today I'm using Lime Crime's Unicorn Hair in Pony, and it's such a pretty color. Now take your conditioner and pour it into the bowl. I used about half a bottle, and then I took my hair dye, which smells so good. Oh my gosh, literally like bubble gum. And you're going to take about 2 scoops of that. I just use a regular tablespoon that's plastic from whatever, and you're just going to dump it in, and then make sure you mix it all together. You don't want to miss anything because you want it to be perfectly mixed, because you do not want patchy hair. And then you're just going to keep stirring it until it's about the color you want. I'm going for a darker color this time around and not a pastel color, so this is a really pretty what I wanted. It's not too dark, but it's not too light. And you're going to start applying it to your hair. And you really want to saturate your entire head. I like to work in about inches and just make sure everything is coated. I start from the bottom and work up to the top because my roots are dark, and I did put some purple on top of that to see if it would get like a dark purple effect or whatever. It did kind of, but just make sure you saturate everything because you do not, again, want patchy hair. No one wants patchy hair. So you just want to keep applying it throughout your whole head, really working it in. This is a conditioner, so it's not like you have a really time sensitive matter. It's just semi-permanent dye, and make sure it's all in there. Then as soon as you get your hair saturated, just work in whatever leftover you had. This is about the saturation that you want. Just again, make sure that you hit all the spots and there's no dry spot at all because we don't want patchy hair. And then you're going to wrap it all up like this and put it in a baggie. This will protect your furniture, your laundry, your shirts, your whatever you have planned, because this is going to sit on your head for about 2 hours, and you're just going to put and rest on. So I left this in my hair for about 2 hours, and then I rinsed it out, so I followed the directions, and I love this color. I am obsessed. It is brighter than I've ever done in my life, and I cannot believe that I may actually like this more than the pink. That is crazy, but I am obsessed, and I can't stop looking at it because it's just so different than anything I've ever done. I just love it. I love this hair. I'm so excited to be purple, and I have a lot of fun, and I have a lot of this dye left, so I can do the purple a lot if I want to. I literally only used like this much, and I mixed it with conditioner, and it came out this beautiful. I am so happy. I'm just really obsessed with this color. I can't stop playing with my hair. I feel like such a babe, and thank you Lime Crime, because this color is amazing and I really like it. It's not that patchy, which is good. It covered up the pink that I had, which I like, and I'm a big fan. I just really like this hair, and I can't wait to see what else happens when it fades, because I feel like it's gonna fade really pretty. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because that'd be really cool. Also in the comments below, let me know what colors you'd like to see me do next, because I got a few more planned, and I got more of this purple, so maybe I'll do something cool with this purple, because I really like this color. Honestly, maybe my favorite purple dye forever. But yeah, thank you guys again. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!